sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor early in the morning? Well, finally, my 18-foot pocket cruising sailboat hull is now right side up. Anyway, I'll show you a few pictures of it in this video. And I'll show you what it looks like right now. It's right side up, it's on blocks. I have the mast stretched along the hull, right along the center line, using it as a boom to drape the top over because it's going to rain tonight. And we did have a couple of days of rain, day before yesterday and afternoon before. I just have her covered over. New change of plans. I was going to leave the gantries in place, but I think what I'm going to do now, because they're not that difficult to move, I'm going to get those out of the way. I'm going to put my temporary sunshade framework back up, put the new top over that. I'll still be topping this over to keep rain from getting in at night, but then I have sunshade during the day when I am working and the sun's out. So that's the plan. Any suggestions? Leave a comment below. Always like to hear from people. Thanks for watching. What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor?